Welcome to the video comparison between online colleges and traditional colleges. Many students struggle to decide between these two options. Let's compare the advantages and disadvantages of each. One advantage of online colleges is the flexibility they offer. Students can take courses from anywhere with an internet connection, and often have the freedom to complete coursework on their own schedule. Traditional colleges offer more personal interaction with professors and peers. Students can attend lectures, participate in group discussions, and even work on research projects in person. Online colleges are often more affordable than traditional colleges because they do not require expenses such as room and board. However, students may miss out on financial aid opportunities from in-person colleges. When it comes to course content, online colleges offer a variety of options, but may lack hands-on experience. Traditional colleges offer more hands-on learning experiences, such as lab work and internships. Both online colleges and traditional colleges have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. It's important for students to consider their personal needs and preferences when deciding which option is best for them.